In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Notion icons and emoji. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just getting started, customizing your workspace can greatly enhance how you interact with your digital environment. Now, let's dive right in and explore how you can personalize your Notion pages with customized icons and emoji. Firstly, if you haven't already, you'll need to log into Notion. Launch your browser, head over to the Notion website, and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll have access to all your pages and can get started with customization. Next, navigate to any existing page within Notion, or feel free to create a new one if you'd like to start from scratch. Open the page by clicking on it. This is where we'll add a personal touch with custom icons or emojis. Notion inherently provides a selection of default emojis and icons that you can use. These are readily available and can be a great starting point for customization. Simply look beside the title or text at the top of your page, and you should see an icon pop up, offering a range of choices for your selection. In this pop-up window, you'll see several options. You can choose from pre-existing emojis and standard icons, or even upload your own icon image. This feature is quite versatile and allows for significant personalization. Simply click Upload if you have a custom image you'd like to use, and select the file from your device. If you're looking to explore other sources for icons, Notion VIP and the search tool Notion, irajasekar.com are excellent places to start. By visiting these websites, you can find a variety of unique emojis and icons specifically designed for Notion. The interface on these sites is user-friendly, making it easy to browse through their extensive libraries. Once you've found an icon you like on these third-party websites, simply copy it. Then return to your Notion page, click on the icon beside your text, and paste it in. This is a quick and easy way to incorporate fresh visuals into your workspace. These steps will allow you to transform your Notion pages into expressive and organized spaces that reflect your personal style or the specific needs of your projects. The customization options are endless and can make your daily interaction with Notion more enjoyable and efficient. So there you have it. With these simple steps, you're all set to customize your Notion with an array of icons and emojis. Happy Notion crafting, and keep experimenting with different designs to make your workspace truly your own.